The Solar Camera 4G SIM outdoor camera is a versatile and reliable solution for enhancing your home security. With its advanced features, including dual detection technology, full-color night vision, and solar-powered operation, it provides comprehensive protection and peace of mind. Invest in the security of your property with the Solar Camera 4G SIM outdoor camera and enjoy round-the-clock surveillance without compromise. With a built-in 4G SIM card slot, this camera offers seamless connectivity and remote access to live footage. Whether you're at home or away, you can stay connected to your property and monitor activities in real time using your mobile device. Traditional night vision often compromises on image quality, making it difficult to identify objects or individuals in low light conditions. However, the Solar Camera 4G SIM outdoor camera features full-color night vision, ensuring clear and detailed footage, even in the darkest of environments. With IP66 dual-core LED IR LEDs, you can rely on this camera to deliver superior visibility round the clock. Equipped with a pan-tilt mechanism, the camera offers flexible horizontal and vertical movement. With a horizontal rotation of 355 degrees and a vertical tilt of 90 degrees, you can remotely adjust the camera's view to monitor specific areas of interest, providing comprehensive coverage of your property. The camera utilizes a combination of passive infrared, PIR, and radar detection technologies to accurately identify potential threats. With a detection distance of up to 12 meters and a wide-angle coverage of 120 degrees, no movement will go unnoticed. Whether it's human activity or other motion, this camera is designed to keep your property secure. The Solar Camera 4G SIM outdoor camera is equipped with solar panels that harness the power of the sun to keep it running continuously. This not only ensures uninterrupted surveillance, but also makes it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice.